Welcome back to the channel, and today I wanted to show you the contents inside of JetBlue's economy class amenity kit. Yes, that's right, an amenity kit for economy class in JetBlue. I was not aware that they had that, but apparently they do. So here is what you get inside of that. So essentially you've got some kind of rubber reusable pouch of some sorts here, a little flimsy. They want you to reuse it. So inside you've got a mint, of course, even though you're not sitting in mint in the business class. You got some socks, low cut socks actually. That's cool. Here you've got a hydrating wipe and some hydrating cream. And that is it for the JetBlue economy class amenity kit. So this is something that you'll find on their long haul route. JFK to London Heathrow is where I found it. I imagine Paris will too, and eventually Amsterdam when they start flying that route. So as always, I do appreciate you watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share this with a friend. Thank you.